Hi guys, welcome to IT Expert again. In today's video, we will complete exercise 9 of the ICT Level 2 exam preparation worksheet. In this exercise we need to help Stephanie to analyze income from a cottage rentals. In this table, we need to calculate the discount which Stephanie need to up to the customer. When the bill is above £500, a discount of 20% will be offered. We will use the formula if. Once the discounts are being calculated, we need to check how much Stephanie should charge the customers. The charge is given by calculating weekly rental minus discount. As first thing, we need to format the table, so highlight from cell B3 to cell H23, go to the Home ribbon and select all borders, then change fill color for the headings. Now, select from cell B3 to cell H3 and apply the filter to the table from the Home ribbon menu. We need to organize the cottage name in alphabetical order, then from the filter in column B, select it Organize from AZ. Now we need to check if they cell F4 is bigger than 500, in that case we need to multiply F4 by 20% to have the discount in British pounds. Then we will subtract the weekly rental with the discount and we will have the charge. Let's write the formula for the discount in cell G4. Equal, comma, if, comma, open brackets, F for bigger than 500, comma, F for asterisk 20%, comma, F4, close brackets, and press enter to finalize the formula. Let's calculate the charge. Select cell H4 and type, equal, F4 minus G4, then press enter to finalize the formula. We will select from cell F4 to cell H4, format as accounting and drag down the fill handle to apply the formula to the whole columns. Now we want to calculate the totals in row 24, using the auto sum. Select cell C24, got to the auto sum and press enter. Drag the fill handle to the right to apply the totals to the whole row. Also, I added a new row above the heading, selecting 3, right-click and insert. It will generate a grey row, so let's change the color as no color. Now we have all values changed as accounting. Then using the filter, we want to show only cottages with 2 bedrooms and a satellite TV, so we need to filter our data in column C and column E. We need to create a graph to show the charges for the cottage with 2 bedrooms and the satellite TV. So we will select column B, we hold down the control button, and we select the data in column H, press F11 and Excel will generate a graph in another tab. Rename the tab as C10 and move it after E9. Now clear the filter and we have done. Feel free to format the graph as you like. I am using a column chart. You can change it to pie chart or bar chart if you prefer. There you go. Follow us for more and write on the comments if you have any special requests. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Thank you.